to our first bi-weekly video. Even though it's a little bit late, we're going to be starting off with an interview with one of our students, Peyton.
This is Peyton, our design team lead, and he's going to talk a little bit about what we have for the robot right now and our plans for what we're going to do to it.
Yeah, so the frame, we want a 27 by 27 inch, just a square, nothing crazy, same thing we've been doing. We want intake, wide as the frame. We want to pick up as many balls as possible. And we want that to come out with the hopper. So the hopper comes out and the intake drops down. And then on the other side, we want a shooter, also as wide as the frame, shoots 4 balls at once, maximum throughput.
Harry, what is your favorite part about being a mentor?
Robotics.
This is our whiteboard where we like to write down our ideas. The Impact and Media sub-teams helped replace the azimuth motors on the practice robot. Now we'll give you a tour of our practice field. This is going to be our ladder. This is our feeder station. This is our trench.
This is our hub.
Hi! So to finish off the video, we're going to be talking about one important thing that has been impacting our team a lot, and also our new plans for our social medias.
This season we gained 7 members and we lost 6 of them. And so like for right now, the Impact and Media business team, we're going to be really working on recruiting new members. We're going to try to recruit more freshmen and middle schoolers so we can have people to stay on the team a little longer than recruiting like a bunch of seniors and stuff like that.
This year, with our social medias, we're going to be trying to post more regularly. So for our Open Alliance on Chief Delphi, we'll be posting on there bi-weekly, and we will also be posting on our YouTube bi-weekly. And we will be posting on our Instagram every week with 1 post and 1 Instagram reel.
Make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you never miss one of our banger videos.
See you next time!